We've come together today at these Democratic Design Days to talk about the co-creating the future of work. And one of the themes really was around how are purpose and values-driven organisations going to be successful in the future. So we wanted to hear from the panel, and we had a very diverse panel today from different industries around what is the future workplace and what does that look like.
When it comes to future-proof your career, it's a dual thing. So one thing is on me, on the individual, to actually unlearn in order to relearn, but also curiosity. As an employer, we have to provide you with the knowledge that's needed. So with the right attitude, curiosity, and by providing the knowledge, that's a very smart way to prepare yourself for the change.
How we think about employer branding and talent acquisition is more important now than it's ever been before, and there's a number of reasons for that. The entire journey that a candidate goes through is now completely digitalized. When you think about branding, you want to be thinking about what you're doing that's disrupting and what's your unique differentiator in an increasingly crowded client market trying to attract that very scarce talent and unlock it.
So we actually hire for cultural contribution. What are we missing and how do we embrace that talent to bring in change, to bring in something new and to bring in a new way of approaching briefs?
If you have purpose at work, you are more productive, and I think that's where the creativity is born. If you've got happy employees, you've got better ideas, and that's what you want. Like in a company, you want your employees to be a part of their vision, their purpose, their mission.
They spoke today about a sense of purpose, and I think for me personally, being creative, having a sense of purpose really drives my direction. So it was exciting to hear that brought up, because I think that that's the difference. Working for IKEA, they give me that sense of purpose. It's our business vision. It's a better everyday life for the many people.